Okay, come, children. Let's go into today's lesson. As I was saying just now, I was very happy because I just received one of my students' Sec 2 math result. 89%. Sec 2 can get 89% is a A1. A1, right, in secondary school is 75% and above. That is considered a A1. All right, A1 is very, very strong already. Long time ago, I didn't even get A1. Long time ago in my secondary 4, right, I only get A2 for my math. Right, but this girl, wow, Jocelyn, I'm so proud of her. All right, so children, when you have your exam paper, right, at the end of the month or so, after your exam, your teacher return you the marks and all this, can you please drop me a message telling me your score? And if you can, take a picture of the front page. All right, you want to take a picture of the entire paper, also better lah. All right, so that I can keep track of what is the kind of question. Then next time we can try to benefit the other students. All right. So children, just to let you know that if you have all your scores, right, let me know. All right, so that I can be happy for a while. All right, I'm a very simple man. I just need to know your scores to be happy. Of course, must be good score lah. So you guys must work doubly hard, all right, to get the good score. All right, try to not just pass, but to pass well. And importantly is to improve. All right, improve from your previous score. That's more important. All right. All right, so children, come, let's talk about the last week, the homework. One question talking about Gini. All right, so last week, I think some of the students stay back, all right, to try to attempt this question. All right, like I think Darius, Xander, Phoenicia, all right. Some of the students did stay back. Right, so Toby also, I think he stayed back. Jasmine, I think she stayed back also. Right, you guys are crazy over math, right? You just want to do more practice, right? Seriously, your attitude is amazing. All right, Ashley. Yes, Kennis, wow! Kennis don't have to stay back, but she still immediately give me the answer. Powerful. All right, she's the first person who give me the correct answer. Anyone, go to the chat and type in the answer, please, children. Hello? 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 What's your name? Hey, go to your chat. Hello, Shafi, go and type the answer, please. Hello. Yo, Kennis, how come your number got 4-digit number? Are you trying to tell me to buy something? No, don't be funny. All right. Phoenicia, no. Try again. Hey, Darius, I thought last week you got correct, what? How come this week you never? Yeah, Darius, try again, please. All right, only Kennis got it right at this moment. Hello, Adnav, how are you today? Yeah, I really like his earphone. Very cool one. The color combination is so beautiful. Hey, yes, Darius, correct. You're right. All right, so one boy, one girl. The rest? Hey, the rest sleeping ah. Oi, hello. Children, math time already. 5:30 already. Let's begin. Oh, yes, Jasmine. Yes, girl power. Oh, my goodness. Anyone else? I need another answer. One more. All right, and I will go through. This was last week's homework. Come on, children. Just one question. Siyu, are you there? Yeah. I don't know why Siyu keeps smiling to herself. Right, I think she's having a happy day also. Phoenicia, no lah. How can somebody only have $2? How come the grandpa only? How come Jimmy only give the grandchildren $2? So cheapo, cannot be. Hey, come on, your parents and your grandparents, they are much more what? They usually give more, right? Cannot be a $2. Hey, please lah. Right, you read the question, you already know it's wrong already. $2. Quick, another student, give me the right answer. Oh my goodness. Cat, very funny, huh? Cat was saying that this is a poor old man. Okay. Okay. Cat. Okay, come, let me draw the model first. Let me help you guys first. Okay, come, let's go. Okay, Jimmy, Jimmy has $350. All right, the hair is missing. Yes, Cat! Woo! Girl power, got 3 girls and only 1 Darius who got it right. Hey, the rest are guys, Hey, yeah, so disappointed in you. Right, but it's okay. All right, keep trying. Don't give up. Okay, come, children. Let's go. Hey, Zoe also, $20. Good job, Zoe. You rock, man. All right, so Jimmy has $350. He spent 3/5 of it on a wallet. Yes, Phoenicia is correct. Toby, correct. Yes, all the boys coming in already. All right, so what's the meaning of 3/5? 3/5, right, is a fraction. This is a real fraction. All right, as a real fraction, what must you do? You have to draw the what? You have to draw the model, children, trust me. All right, just draw the model. It will help you a lot. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? So he spent 3 out of 5. 3/5 means 3 out of 5 on a wallet. All right, 3 out of 5 on a wallet. Can you see or not, children? So sometimes, right, you can actually, instead of reading 3/5, you can read it as 3 out of 5. So down here is spent on a wallet. 1, 2, 3. Wallet. Okay. The remaining money was shared among his 7 children. So down here is called the remainder. Remainder. All right. And this money was shared among the children. How many children? 7 grandchildren. My goodness, so many. All right. So where is the $350? The $350 is your total, right? It must be on top, down here. Can you see not? All right, because that's what Jimmy has, right? Can you see not? With the model, right, it is so easy to understand already. The total is 350. How many units are there? 3, 4, 5. There are 5 units of model, right? There are 5 units of model. All right, so we can just say that the 5 units, all right, represents the total, which is 350. Always find the 1 unit first. You take 350 divide by 5. Using my mental calculation, is a 70. Correct or not? Correct or not? I don't think so. Better do my working. All right, don't teach your wrong thing. All right, so 5 times 7 is 35. 0. Correct. Yeah. So sometimes I don't trust myself, you see. All right, so down here is a $70. Yes, Shafi, you're right. Very good. You are right. Totally right, Shafi. All right, you are a little bit later, but okay. You persevere and you got the right answer. I haven't seen the answer, but you got it right. Good job, Shafi. Yes, we'll be doing Kahoot later, Kat. Yes. Yeah, but y'all come here, don't. It's not for Kahoot only, right? You come here to learn from me. Come on. Yeah, Kahoot. All right. And 2 units represents what? The remainder, which is 70 times 2. And that will give you $140. And this $140 is given to who? The 7 grandchildren. All right. So for example, you got 7 friends, you got $140. Each friend will receive how much? Divide by 7. All right, just look at the 14 and the 7. 14 divided by 7 give you the 2. And the 0 just copy at the back. $20. All right, that makes more sense, right? Correct. $20 for each of the grandchild. Good granddad. Good granddad. Not just $2, huh? All right. Anyway, so children, this is a rather easy question. We'll be doing Kahoot at the end of the lesson, actually. Right? At the end of the first part of the lesson. All right, means that I want to finish all the questions inside the worksheet first. All right, let me finish all the questions inside the worksheet first. I think there's 15 questions, right? After the 15 questions, then we'll do the Kahoot. Then we will come up with another extra 10 more questions, all right, to practice in class. So that's the plan for today. Can? Okay, come, children. Are you ready? Yes, I am.
No, I'm.
No, you're not. Why? Okay, come. So let's talk about the question 1. Let's go. Okay, very simple question. All right, looking at the worksheet, right? Almost, I think, no, it's not almost. Everybody got this correct. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, every one of you got this correct. Good job. Oh, yo, wait. So the question is asking for what? Rounded off to the nearest 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Where is 1,000? This is the ones. This is the tens. This is the hundreds. And this is the thousands. So when the question wants you to round off to the nearest thousands, what must you do? Yes, Kate, you're right. All right, you are focusing on this number here. But this number, you don't know whether to round up or to maintain. So you have to look at the next digit down here to decide. 8 is more than 5. More than 5 means you have to round up. So the 2, right, the thousands, the 2 becomes a 3. So it's 3 is correct. Can? And the rest must put the 0 at the back. Answer is B. B for brilliant. All right, B for burn. All right, so children, quite simple, right? Nothing difficult, nothing difficult. But will it come for your exam? Yes, it will. All right, please remember that your exam is not every question difficult one. All right, so all these simple questions, you must try to secure the 100% marks. All right, you cannot lose marks over this simple question. Question 1, done. Question 2, let's go. Oh, the figure is made up of identical square. All right, what's the meaning of identical? Identical means same. All the squares are of the same size. So how many squares do we have? 4 times 3. Total, we have a 12. All right, so below the total, we always put below. 12 equal squares. Can you see that? All right, the squares must be of equal sizes. Can? And this answer, oh no, Shafi, no, you read properly. Shafi, can you please read this question again? Please be careful. Kat, you got it right. All right, Xander, can you please take a look at this question also? Yes, Phoenicia, your answer is wrong. Are you reading a question? What fraction of the figure is shaded, you know? All right, how many is shaded? So let's take a look at shaded. We have 1 shaded, 2 shaded, 3 shaded, 4 shaded. So 4 out of 12 is shaded. Is that true? So Shafi and some of them put C is the correct answer. Is that correct or not? Did Shafi say C? Sorry. Let me see again. Oh, Shafi, I thought you put B first. Then after that you put C. Sorry, you're right. All right, the second answer, you got it right. All right, I didn't see your second answer. I'm so sorry. All right, Phoenicia, your answer just now was... Oh, your second answer was correct also. Very good. Thank you so much. And Jasmine, your answer is correct. Olivia? Tong? Right, it's not B, it is C, right? Right, be careful, it's 4 out of 12. Can? Okay, now you got it right already. Very good, very good. All right, so children always must remember, right, what's the on top? The numerator must represent the shaded, the item that the question is looking for. The question is looking for shaded, you must put shaded. Below is the total. But in actual fact, right, this is a very bad answer. In actual fact, why? Because in primary school, right, your school always teach you how to reduce to the simplest form. All right, must put to the simplest form. Correct or not? So you divide by 4. You divide by 4. All right, 4 divided by 4 is a 1. 12 divided by 4 is a 3. All right, so this is the best answer. Why? Because it is reduced to the simplest form. Understand or not? All right, so this question, right, you got no choice. So you got to choose the best answer, which is C. Do you understand? All right, but if there is a 4 over 12 and, for example, a 1/3, right? All right, please, you have to choose the 1/3. Understand or not? Must be the lowest term. Can? All right, so it's like for science, right? You have to choose the best answer among the option, right? The math is also the same thing. All right, you have to choose the best answer as best as you can. Is that okay? Okay, let's continue with question number 3. Which of the following decimal is the smallest? All right, smallest. So what do? Usually, right, I will arrange them from top to bottom. All right, Phoenicia, your answer is correct. Can you see that down here already arranged for me already? So I compare. You see, I compare 0, 0, 0, all the same rank. All right, so cannot see anything. Down here, the next level down here, can you see? The next level is what? 4084. 4084. Which is the smallest number? 4084. Who is the smallest? 0 is the smallest already lah. So I think this is answer already. Understand or not, children? This is the trick to do it. Can you compare all the left number first? Then you compare the center number. Then you compare the third number. Right? So you compare down here 0. See, 0 is the smallest, right? Correct or not? Yeah, so that's the way I will do it. You understand? All right, so you purposely draw line like that because it's all a line up for you already. So answer is a B. All right, so decimals, right? Decimals is also very important. Right, you'll be seeing a lot of decimals in your primary 5. Cool. Okay, very simple. First 3 questions shouldn't have any mistakes. I think our dear Raj is trying to come into lesson, but he cannot come in. Don't know why. I think his internet connection got problem. Okay, never mind. Come question number 4.